Good afternoon. I'm Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I'm working on Junk Journal July Prompt 18, which is free. And I thought about that for a while, and the quote from Jane Eyre, it's one of my favorite quotes, came to me. I am no bird, no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will. She was so ahead of her time, wasn't she? I love that quote. It's also my daughter's favorite quote. In fact, Jane Eyre is my daughter's favorite book. But I thought what I will do is put a nice plain background on here and put that quote in the middle with a bunch of my bird stickers, which are, where are they? They're not in this one. My bird stickers, here they are. A lot of bird stickers just flying around. So we're going to pick some birds from here and just decorate the page around the quote. And I think I'm just going to hand write it. But I want some nice paper on here, maybe some, I don't know, pink? I will get back with the paper. I could do coffee dyed, but I think I've run out of my coffee dyed paper. I think I found my color. I want to use this kind of muted, dusty pink because I don't want anything too dark, because these are somewhat see-through. And so I don't want, I want to be able to see the birds. So we're going to just go ahead and see how much of this I want and cut it. Right about here. Alright. Yeah, I just love that quote. And I can't believe it. It was, what was it, written in the 1850s or something like that? It was, I don't remember for sure, but she was definitely way ahead of her time, and that I love. And right about here. And we'll just glue this down on top of this page. And I will put my quote in the middle, and then I'll put, well, maybe birds all around. Maybe I should put the birds on first. I'm not sure. I don't want to cover up any birds, and I don't want the birds to cover up any words. So that's my dilemma. I'm a little bit nervous about writing directly on here because, if I make a mistake, it's going to be destroyed. Or I could cover it, I suppose, but I think I'm going to write it on a piece of paper first, and then put that down, and then put my birds on. So I found these coffee dyed papers, but I don't think they look right with this background. And I found this little label, which I think is very pretty. I'm going to have to write super small, and I have a little skinny pen. I think that's the only one I have of this, so I'm going to have to write really tiny and do it perfectly the first time. So, I am no bird. And no net ensnares me. Oh, I forgot to put my punctuation. I think I'll put I down here. I am a free human being. Oh, it'll fit. With an independent Gotta remember, make sure I'm spelling that right. Independent will. And that is Jane Eyre. Who said that? Okay, and actually it was Charlotte Bronte, right? Is it Charlotte Bronte that wrote that? Didn't live very long. I don't think any of the Brontes lived very long. So that's perfect. I wish my writing was prettier, but it's not, so just have to get over that. Oh boy, a big chunk of glue came out. Get all this glued up, every little corner, every little edge. Okay, let's put this on right here. And now we just put our birds on. Let's see. Try to put like ones that look like they're flying a little bit. I think he would actually look perfect right there. I think it might, oh, it came right off. I thought I was going to have to go off camera, but I don't. So we'll put that one right there. Let's see. I want them going in all different directions, but they all seem to be kind of facing. That one's not. This one's facing in the right direction. Let's put that there. Okay, what I'm going to do, there, come off. Alright, we'll put this one here. Oh no. I just pushed it up a little, slightly too high. There. There we go. We've got this one. Let's put this one. This one would have been good on there too, but we can't. I love bluebirds. I don't think I want one just sitting there though. I want them to be flying. So, got this one and this one. Also got this one. This one's pretty. Let's put that one there. See if there's one facing this direction, but I don't think there is. I think the rest of them. I don't want all hummingbirds either, but that is the prettiest one. Yeah, unfortunately, the rest of them are all facing in that direction, but we're still going to use these two, I guess. I might be able to fit some small ones in there too, but I think I'm going to go off camera and finish the birds and then show you the finished result. Alright, so this is my final spread for number 18, Free. I am no bird and no net ensnares me. I am a free human being with an independent will, and I have a bunch of birds flying around free, and then I just use this little pink square for my number. I think I actually have used this quote in other Junk Journal Julys or Junk Journal Januaries too, and if you're interested in seeing my past ones, you can look up the playlists for them. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you again tomorrow for a tag. Oh, that shouldn't be too difficult to achieve. I think I can do a tag. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.